Photovoltaic power generation is the second largest source of electricity in the Zhejiang Province after thermal power generation, with over 15% of the province's electricity consumption provided by solar energy. Ningbo City ranks first in the province in terms of installed photovoltaic capacity. Xiangshan Ningbo plans to have 100% of its electricity supplied by clean energy by the end of the year 2029. To achieve this goal, Xiangshan has built a solar power station with a total installed capacity of 300 megawatts, taking advantage of its rich coastal resources. The power station was built on 3 million square meters of coastal mudflats using a Solis 230 kilowatt 1500 volt inverter as the only string inverter solution. The system is expected to generate an average of 340 megawatts of electricity per year. Based on the average standard coal consumption of thermal power generation, it will save an average of 100,000 tons of standard coal and reduce CO2 emissions by 270,000 tons per year. After the power station is completed and put into operation, it will significantly enhance the clean energy share of Xiangshan and Zhejiang, laying a solid foundation for the early achievement of the carbon neutrality emissions peak target.